my two ingredients that I'm going to use to rejuvenate this plastic. I go about 50-50. It's important to get boiled linseed oil, otherwise it'll just stay sticky and tacky. So make sure you get boiled linseed oil. And I mix them about half and half. The more paint thinner you use, the quicker it dries. So let me mix these together and I'll show you how it's turning out. Alright, I got my sauce mixed up. It's about half and half. The more thinner you got, the quicker it dries. Just got some paper towel. So let's give her a shot. You can kind of see it's kind of yellow. You can see it's pulling some of the black off of there. All right, it's been about 5 minutes now, and it's starting to dry up a bit. So I'm just going to take a different rag. I'm just going to wipe it off. It's had 5 minutes time to sit on there, and I'll wipe most of it off. Man, does that ever make a difference? All right, 30 minutes later, I've got everything wiped down. I've applied it, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then I wiped most of it off with a dry cloth. I used less than what's in the jar. I'm going to save this for the next time or the next project. It actually turned out pretty good. I actually use it on rubber as well. And it just helps keep the dirt off, the mud washes off nice. It's pretty amazing how it rejuvenates everything. If you've got an old piece of plastic that's super faded, I would suggest using a little bit more thinner. Helps break down the plastic a bit more. But other than that, pretty simple, pretty easy. And thanks for watching.